Alright, so we're going to be putting this together. This is everything that comes with your heat press. We're going to take this plate, we're actually going to put this to the side for right now. This actually just attaches directly to your heat press. It's not part of your stand. So you're going to grab your bag of bolts. Just going to dump everything out right now. You're going to have your Allen key. You're going to want to go put your washers on your bolts. Just like this. Alright, so we got them all off. Got our Allen key that comes with the set. We grab one of our 4 bars that are going to be the same as look to them. 3, 4. Start by tilting one of these up. There you go. That's our first bolt in. Second bolt. And we're just going to keep going. You want to be able to just go and get these threaded in by hand first. Make double sure that you're not cross-threading the bolts. Now you're going to be able to see this easier as I put on the second side here. Second side, same thing. Just going to line up the bars with the holes. There we go. And then same thing as the other side. Next, grab your Allen key. Now we're not going to go into a full tighten just yet. Just stiff enough where your frame's kind of solid. We'll finish tightening up all the bolts once we get the 2 shelves in here. But everything's just barely tighter than doing it by your hand. Just enough to give it a little bit of rigidity to the frame. Now we're going to start getting our shelves in. Make sure the shelves flip the correct way up. This way you have your edges here so you can hold all of your items correctly. Once again, just going to grab one of our bolts. The washer's on it already. Drop them into place. Just do a quick little hand tighten on all these. Once you got the hand tightened, grab your second shelf. And we're going to hand tighten again. Once you've got everything hand tightened, come through with your Allen key and just tighten it up the rest of the way. At this point, we can start getting it nice and solid tight. You're going to just square up the frame, get all your shelves in place. You'll be ready to go and put your heat press on the top.